Welcome back, my home cooks and chef. I'm gonna be doing a real simple and quick, recipe on my crumble peach cobbler, you guys. If you watch my other videos on how to do the crumble, I'll have it in the description below. But right now, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna put in here because I'm actually featuring a good friend of mine, Uncle Steve's, dessert. His sweet dessert shake. So once again, that's Uncle Steve's sweet dessert shake, you guys. So I'm only gonna be using this as the sweetener in the entire peach cobbler. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna tell you the ingredients of the crumble. The crumble, all it is 1 stick of melted butter. You can be salted, unsalted, it's up to you, and 1 yellow box of cake mix. That's all you need. And I have the rest of the description on how to make this. So like I said, let's get straight into it. So all right, so what I'm gonna do is add this sweet dessert shake, Uncle Steve's sweet dessert shake, onto 2 cans of, there's 2 large cans of sliced peaches. Now you can do fresh, it's up to you. But what you want to use about a half a cup of the dessert shake. So I'm gonna use all of what I have left over. So half a cup. So like I said, it's already sweet. And what I do is I drain my cans of peaches, and leave about half of the juice in one of the cans, but I don't use it all. But like I said, it's to each his own. So just mix it in, everything in, all the ingredients in, real good. That's all you need, like I said, when it comes out. Uncle Steve's sweet dessert shake is amazing, you guys. So like I said, we're featuring the Uncle Steve shake. All right, so now you want to add in a melted 1 stick of butter into your peaches. Now some people cook this, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to mix all the ingredients in right now. So now everything is mixed in. I'm going to add 1 more ingredient, which, a good friend of mine, Keith Horn, this is my buddy. He gave it to me. This was, he's been trying to get it to me for quite a long time. This is really, really nice. This is a nice, vanilla abstract that he hooked up homemade and stuff like that. And a shout out to my boy, Keith Horn. I told you I was gonna feature it in there. I got you, bro. So I'm about to add a little bit up in here, and I really appreciate it, And my boy, had his little ups and downs and stuff like that, but he was sticking with me and he been riding, him and his family and everything like that. So what I'm gonna do is put about 3 tablespoons of this vanilla in there. 3 tablespoons. Now you can do as much vanilla as you want, as you like. It's up to you. But that's just how much I'm gonna put in mine. So, like I said, and stir in the rest. It smells really good, Keith. Thanks for all of that. For sending it to me when I picked it up in LA. But yeah. So let's get back into it. So, all right, I just finished that. The pie crust is in the oven. It's pretty much pre-baking, the pie crust. So I'm about to take it out and then we're gonna put in the peaches and put the filling on top, the crumble on top. All right, so the pie crust is done. Now I put it in the oven on 400 degrees. Left it in there for about a good 5 to 7 minutes. You don't want it to cook all the way through because it's got some more cooking to do. So we're gonna be adding in our peaches on top. So just put it straight on in, you guys, and that's how simple it is, guys, to do a bomb peach cobbler. Now, like I said, if you notice at the bottom of the crust, it has some seasoning on the bottom. That was actually the dessert, the sweet dessert, that Uncle Steve have. I put it at the bottom. I like to season all my ingredients and stuff like that. So I wanted to, season up the pie crust at the bottom. So now that I do that, I'm about to show you how I actually put the crumble on. That's exactly what I'm gonna do right now, is get the crumble on top. I'm gonna make sure I smooth out, make sure everybody, is all in the party. Have your peaches stuck in one area. Make sure you spread them all around so they can be all fully even and everything like that. All right, so let's get over to getting the crumble together. All right, so the crumble, like I said, already done. So what you're gonna do is once you make it, I have the description below, put it in the refrigerator, let it, come back to a chill while you're doing all the other ingredients. That's a good, little tip. So, all right, so what I do is I crumble mine like this, if you see, and then I just make sure it got little balls and stuff like that all the way around it. That's how you get the crumble. So you just squeeze it from the bowl and just sprinkle it on over. So make sure you sprinkle it all over evenly. And that's all I'm doing. Like I said, it don't have to be, this is not something got to be perfect, but it's just something that, so you can do that. It's going to come out really good. So make sure you do all of it that way. Just make sure you try to cover up as much of your peaches as possible, or, what you can. Now, if you want to make a larger pan, you actually can just double up the ingredients and stuff like that. But do not use more butter than you can, because then you're gonna have to turn your cake mix into cake. And and this is how you make a crumble, is not using that much butter. So yeah, so you see right here, everything is pretty much covered, just finishing it off. You know what I'm saying? And make sure you put your oven on, 375 degrees or 350, depending on which one you like. Because, some people, you worry about burning it. Keep an eye on it. And we're going to keep an eye on it for about a good, 20 to 30 minutes in the oven. So let me finish putting this up. It's already done. We're going to get ready to shove this in the oven. All right, you guys. So this is how it's supposed to look when it's done. When you get it over here golden brown, you can go dark if you like, or you can go lighter, but this is how the crumble is supposed to come out when you're making this peach cobbler. You guys, this is my famous, crumble peach cobbler that my mom handed down to me, and I made my little twist on it. Hey, don't forget to get out there and get that, sweet dessert shake from Uncle Steve's right here. Make sure you get it. Check him out online, unclesteve.com, and you can get yours. Uncle Steve, hey, I'm kind of past that red line, so I know I'm violating, so I gotta go get me another one. All right, bro. And Kate Keith Horn, bro, amazing, man. That vanilla is amazing. So thank you again, and thank you guys for coming on through. Let me know if you tried this recipe or if you ever tried this before. But come on back through. I'm your boy KC from the Urban Culture Kitchen, you guys, where we feed the soul. So I will see you guys in the next one.